Hi, it seems that I'm having problem with my power adapter for the USB speaker. Okay, currently this is a working power adapter for the speaker. Okay, just to confirm that this is connected to my PC. Okay, right now I'm going to change the 40 power adapter that I'm facing right here. Okay, I'm going to turn this volume down, take out the working. Okay, so I'm going to take the 40 power adapter and plug into the speaker. Okay, just to confirm, I have plugged in. Okay, again. Okay, it's confirmed that I'm plugged in. So I'm going to plug in this USB cable. Okay, let me just. Okay, now I plug in. Now I plug in with the 40 power adapter. Okay, this is a 40 power adapter. I'm going to change the cable and then plug into here. Okay, can you see that there's no light indicate? There's no red color light. And all this is connected to my speaker, and the speaker USB is connected to the PC. Okay, let me just plug in with the working power adapter again. Okay, to reconfirm, this is a 40 power adapter where there is no light, so I'm able to power up the speaker. As you can see that there's no light here. Okay, now I'm going to change to a working power adapter. Okay, there's power. Okay, I'm going to find back the cable. Okay, this is the cable. So I just plug this out again and plug the good one inside. Okay. So right now it's confirmed that this power adapter is faulty.